Now the part most people skip past: how MCP Apps actually works under the hood. The protocol messages, the exact lifecycle from tool call to rendered UI, and the security model that makes it safe for a host to render code from a server it doesn't fully trust. Everything comes down to two existing MCP primitives combined in a new way. A tool whose description includes a meta.ui.resource URI field, pointing at a UI://resource. And that resource is an HTML page, usually bundled with its own JavaScript and CSS, that the host renders in place of plain text output. 4 steps. First, UI preloading. Because the tool description already names the resource, the host can prefetch it before the tool is even called. Second, resource fetch. The host pulls the HTML bundle from the server. Third, sandboxed rendering. That HTML goes into a sandboxed iframe right in the conversation. And fourth, bidirectional communication. The app and the host talk over a JSON RPC dialect of MCP carried on post message. Here's the general shape, independent of any one example. The user asks something, the agent calls a tool, the server responds, and the agent pushes that result into the app. Then when the user interacts with the app itself, the app can send its own tool's call request back through the agent, which forwards it to the server, gets fresh data, and pushes it back. The app never talks to the server directly. The agent, meaning the host, always sits in the middle. The security model has 4 pillars. Iframe sandboxing. The app can't touch the parent page, read cookies, or navigate away. Post message. As the only channel, the host controls what capabilities the app can reach. Pre-declared templates. Because the UI resource is named ahead of time in the tool description, hosts can review and cache it before anything executes. And auditable messaging. Every action the UI initiates rides the same consent and audit path as a direct tool call. No special backdoor. No framework is required. Under the hood, it's just HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and post message. If you're building a host, the XDApps SDK includes an app bridge module that handles iframe rendering and message passing for you, or there's the community MCP UI client package. If you're building a server or app, there's a convenience app class, but it's a wrapper, not a requirement. You can implement the raw protocol yourself. Next episode, what Claude Desktop specifically supports.